Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, we discussed about the story The Sniper and written by Lime O'Flaherty. Today, let us review this. So the story first, it opens there was a civil war. And this war is fought in Dublin. So Dublin actually is capital of Ireland. The war is fought between Free Staters and Republicans. According to Free Staters, they wanted that country should be divided. They wanted the division of the country. And Republicans, they wanted that country should be united. So in this story, the sniper belonged to Republican Party. This is the story, the opening scene of the story. यानी स्टोरी जो है ये एक स्नाइपर के मुतलिक है और स्नाइपर आपको पता है कि स्नाइपर उसको कहते हैं वो शख्स जो चोरी छुपे अपने दुश्मन पर अटैक करता है, तो उसको कहते हैं हम स्नाइपर। तो ये स्टोरी जो है ये सिविल वार होती है और डुबलिन में यानी कैपिटल ऑफ आयरलैंड में ये लड़ी जाती है। तो दो पार्टियां थी, एक का नाम था फ्री स्टेटर्स और दूसरी का नाम था रिपब्लिकन्स। सो दीज फ्री स्टेटर्स, देयर आइडियोलॉजी वाज they wanted that the country should be divided, and the Republicans, they wanted that country should be united. And the sniper about whom we are going to read belonged to Republican Party. This is the first thing. Now about the sniper. So the sniper, first of all, the sniper, he was very young, like student. But he was grave. वो संजीदा था। And not only this, he had lust of fighting against his enemy. His enemies that are free staters. So the second thing was that no doubt he was very young. He was like a student, but there was a lust of fighting his enemies for the integration, for the unity of his country. So this sniper, he belongs to Republican Party. Now this sniper, he was undercover in order to defend. But the sniper, first of all, he was very hungry. So he wanted to take some food sandwich. So he took it very hungrily because he was hungry since morning. So he was on the roof of the house near O'Connell Bridge. He had also his field glasses. We mean that he was fully laced with his revolver, with his gun, with his field glasses and first aid box. So after taking his food, he wanted to put himself in a risk. What was the risk? That was, he wanted to smoke. But he didn't know that his enemy was also undercover on the another side of the roof, another house. So what happened when he lit the cigarette? So what happened? His enemy, he saw the flash of light and he shot him. So the sniper, he got injured in his forearm, left forearm. So after this, now he was very keen. Now he became very careful. So he also, first of all, when he got injured, what happened to him? He tried to heal up his wound, and after that, an armored car came and with a soldier on its mouth and it stopped. Then an old woman came there, so she informed the soldier about the sniper. So when she pointed out towards the sniper hit her and she also died. And he also hit the man in the armored car and he also died. So the armored car rushed there and left away. So after this, what happened? Now the sniper, he managed to escape from his enemy. So he hit upon a plan. What was his plan? It is very important. What was his plan? And he put his hat on the muzzle of the rifle. Muzzle. Muzzle we say, जिसको हम कहते हैं the opening, this end, और हम नोक कहते हैं. राइफल के नोक पर उसने अपनी हैट रखी and then he forwarded it to the parapet of the roof. So when he forwarded it, his enemy he guessed that it was sniper also, so he shot. What happened when the enemy shot, the hat, it fell down from the roof and was on this what we say on the road. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि now the enemy, he was conscious and he got aware about the fact that he had killed his enemy. तो उसने एनिमी ने ये कहा कि जो फ्री स्टेटर्स की तरफ था, तो उसने सोचे कि अब मेरा जो है ये एनिमी खत्म हो गया. तो स्नाइपर ने क्या किया कि उसने अपनी राइफल जो थी वो उसने आहिस्ता 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 यानी नीचे छोड़ दी, तो राइफल भी नीचे गिर गई. तो अब जो दूसरे साइड पर फ्री स्टेटर का वो था, तो उसको समझ में आ गया कि उसने अपने एनिमी को मार डाला और वो खड़ा हो गया. अब वो इधर उधर देखने लगा, आसमान की तरफ देखने लगा, बट द स्नाइपर, he was already injured, so he could not lift his arm, but with the help of the revolver he made a shot and he hit his enemy. तो उसने अपने एनिमी को मार डाला और उसके बाद वो वहां पर चक्कर खाने लगा और आखिरकार वो छत से नीचे गिर गया. तो नीचे वो जमीन पर यानी सड़क पर गिर गया. तो अब वो अपने प्लान में कामयाब हो गया. तो उसके बाद नो द स्नाइपर, he felt something. There came a feeling of humanity in him, and now he was regretting. वो पछताने लगा and he became absolutely mad. So what happened to him? जब वो पूरा पागल हो गया तो वो कुछ बेमानी अल्फाज निकालते, आवाजें निकालता है और वो अपने को भी गालियां देता है और दूसरों को भी गालियां देता है. यानी अब वो पूरी तरह से पागल हो गया. और उसके बाद उसका रिवॉल्वर जो था उसने वो नीचे धकेल दिया, तो उसमें से गोली निकल गई. और जब गोली निकल गई तो उस शॉट से, उस साउंड से वो अपने होश में आ गया. एंड व्हेन ही केम इन हिज सेंसेस, नाउ ही वांटेड टू withdraw that place, wanted to leave the place. And what happened to him when he wanted to leave this place? What happened to him? He wanted that he had a good shot. He had the very best shot. And he wanted to inform his company commander. And also, he wanted to know who was the enemy whom he had killed. So when he reached to his enemy, and it was not anybody, and he saw that it was his own brother. So this is the story about the sniper. So let us see what is the theme of the story. Theme of the story. The story had two themes. One is that about the sniper, he was very young. He was like a student, but he had courage. He had sense of patriotism. And in such young age, he wanted his country should be united. And he fought courageously, and for this he sacrificed. He was about to sacrifice his life for the country. That is one theme. And the another theme is horrors of war. So horrors of war, you know, whether one should win the war or one is defeated. In both the cases, we lost our humanity. So the sniper, when he killed his enemy, after that, he lost his senses. And what happens to him? He didn't feel comfortable after victory. The sniper realizes that war is a horrible thing. He curses himself after killing his enemy. And not only this, he cursing his enemy, he also was stricken with remorse. He kills his own brother. So, of this war is against humanity. जो वार है ये ह्यूमैनिटी के अगेंस्ट होती है, यानी ये इंसानियत के अगेंस्ट होती है, खिलाफ होती है. तो इसमें दो थीम्स है. वन इज दैट वन should be patriotic. He should sacrifice his life for the unity and integrity of this country as the sniper did. But another thing is war. It is horrors of war that we lost humanity, we lost brotherhood, we lost each and everything with war. Thanks.